Welcome. I'm your TOEFL writing coach. Today, we're diving into the Build a Sentence task, a vital part of demonstrating your grammatical precision. We'll start by analyzing a context sentence to predict the logical flow, and then we'll carefully arrange scrambled words to construct a perfect response. Let's get started. If you want to sharpen your writing skills even further, be sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert lessons. Let's keep working together to reach your goal score. Ancient Persians developed an efficient mail delivery system. This sentence describes how ancient Persians created a functional postal network. We should look for a following sentence that identifies the specific people or actions that made this system work. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we drag the demonstrative these. Next, we add the subject couriers. Then we place the verb delivered, followed by the adjective important. Then we add the noun messages. Next, the preposition across. Then the article the. Finally, we place the noun empire. The Indian Ocean is located south of Asia. The context focuses on a specific geographic location, the Indian Ocean. It is highly likely that the next sentence will describe a natural event or characteristic specific to that environment. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. We start with the adjective large, then we place another adjective, tropical. Next, the subject noun storms, then we drag the verb occur, followed by the preposition over. Then the demonstrative these, next the adjective warm. Finally, we add the noun waters. The financial aid office helps students with loans. This sentence introduces the financial aid office and its role in helping students. We can expect the next sentence to explain a requirement or a deadline that students must meet to receive this help. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we drag the subject students, then we add the modal verb must, next the base verb submit, then the possessive there, followed by the noun applications, then the preposition before, next the article the top. Finally, we place the noun deadline. Isaac Newton discovered the basic laws of gravity. The context mentions the famous scientist Isaac Newton and his work on gravity. The answer sentence will likely expand on what his theories achieved or what they explained about the world. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we select the possessive his, then we add the noun theories, next the verb explained, then we drag the word how, followed by the article the, then the adjective whole, next the noun universe. Finally, we place the verb works. Greenland is the largest island in the world. This sentence identifies Greenland as a massive island. Logically, the next sentence will describe the physical landscape or the environmental conditions found there. Now let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. We start with the adjective thick, then we place the noun ice, next the subject sheets, then we drag the verb cover, followed by the quantifier most, then the preposition of next the demonstrative this, finally the noun land. The math department holds weekly study sessions. The context sentence discusses the math department and its study sessions. We should expect the following sentence to provide more details about what the students do during these sessions. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we drag the subject students, then we add the verb solve, next the quantifier many, then the adjective difficult, followed by the noun problems, then the preposition in, next the article the d. Finally, we place the noun lounge. Julius Caesar was a famous Roman military leader. And the proba as d as s. This sentence introduces the historical leader Julius Caesar. The next logical step is to describe the actions of his army or the results of his military leadership. Now let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we select the possessive his. Then we add the noun soldiers, next the verb conquered, then the quantifier many, followed by the noun lands, then the preposition for, next the article the a. Finally, we place the noun republic. The biology lab contains several modern microscope models. The sentence highlights the equipment in the biology lab. We should look for an answer that describes how students use these microscopes during their academic activities. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. As he, we begin with the subject students, then we add the verb observe. Next, the adjective small, then the noun cells, followed by the preposition during, then the possessive there. Next, the adjective weekly. Finally, we place the noun lessons. To succeed in the build a sentence task, always identify the main subject and verb first to establish the sentence core. Use the context sentence to find logical links, such as pronouns or repeated topics, which help determine the sentence's focus. Finally, double-check that all adjectives and prepositions are placed correctly to ensure natural English flow.